Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the ultimate rock and roll outfit inspo for your next round in Dress to Impress. So I'm going to show you how you can combine leather and attitude for a look that's totally headbanging and guaranteed to win. Now let's just get started to make this look. So for starter, these are the hair that I use for the look. I'm using this braids hair and color it like this, combine between this color and also this red color, and also this updo without the bangs and this bangs. Now you can just put on the outfit. So first I'm going to head to the women's section and put on this top. Color it red. Here is the hex code that I use for the red, and change the material into foil and combine it with the stops right here. This one, toggle it into number 3 and change the color also to red in foil. And leave the belt color as it is. Put on these gloves, remove the fur, and use this fishnet pattern. And once you're done in here, put on this belt. And let's put on some pants and some accessories. So for the pants, I'm going to use this flare jeans. Remove the flower, change the color to the same red, and use a leather material. Put on this necklace in black and also this one. So change all the accessory into black color. And now put on these body earrings. Use black color. And this wireless microphone here. Now just go to the dressing room and put on this boots. Change the material into foil and use the same red color. Go to the rewards item tab and put on this bra and use the leopard pattern like this. And now this is the final look of rock and roll outfits inspo in DJI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.